Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
It never hurts to check for spelling errors in your email before you send it out. Outlook makes this easy by incorporating the spell check feature of Microsoft Word into the messages that it produces. Spell checking your messages in Outlook is the same as in Word, so if you know how to do it there, you'll have a large advantage. If not, don't worry, as we'll cover it right now. To start to spell check a message prior to sending it, click into the message text area, and then press the F7 key on your keyboard, or choose Tools and select Spelling from the menu bar. This will begin the spell checker for the message that you have selected, and the spell checker will work from the top of your message to the bottom, stopping at words that it thinks are misspelled. At these junctures, the spelling dialog box will appear, giving you options to fix or ignore the words that it thinks are misspelled. The misspelled words will display in the Not in Dictionary text box, and the suggested spelling replacements will appear in the Suggestions list. If the word is truly misspelled, you can select the correct spelling from the Suggestions list. Or you can type it directly in the Change To box. At that point, you can just click Change to the right, or if it occurred multiple times in the email, you could hit Change All. And we just simply repeat that process. Note that if the word that it does not find is truly spelled correctly, as would be the case with some proper names, you could click Ignore, or if it's used multiple times in the message, Ignore All, to ignore that instance of the misspelling, or all instances. So here's an example of one where we would have to simply type it in by hand and change it. When it's finished, it will simply tell you the spelling check is complete, and you can click at that point the OK button to return to the message and just double check. So for example here, it still says it do not hurt to check your messages for spelling. So it's not a perfect tool. It never hurts to double check your messages manually and proofread them just to ensure that things like grammar and actual word choice are still correct, because the spell checker only looks for words that don't exist. And of course, once it was done and corrected, you would just send it out by clicking the Send button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.